Want to analyze monthly sales data in Excel with just one click? In this video, I'll show you how to create a slicer that controls your pivot table by month. Let's jump right in with a real example. Let's start with a simple dataset. It includes sales dates, regions, and amounts across the first half of 2025. Now, extract the month names so we can filter by them. Insert a new column next to the data and name it month name. In cell D2, type this formula. Equals text. Select the cell A2. Inside quotation marks, type M 4 times. This uses the text function to convert the full date into a written month name, like January, March, or May. Now, press Enter. Then drag it down. Or double-click on the bottom right corner of the cell to apply the formula to all rows. Now every date in your dataset is paired with its corresponding month, which we'll use to power our filter. Next, let's summarize this data. Select your entire dataset by pressing Ctrl+A, including month name. Go to the Insert tab. Choose Pivot Table. Place it in a new worksheet. In the Pivot Table field list, drag region to rows, sales amount to values, and month name to filters, or just leave it in the list. This gives you total sales by region with the flexibility to filter by month. Now for the fun part, let's make filtering super interactive with a slicer. Click anywhere inside the pivot table. Go to Pivot Table Analyze tab. Click Insert Slicer. Check month name. Then click OK. You now have a clickable slicer that filters your pivot table by month instantly. Want to take it one step further? Click on the slicer to activate it, and you'll see a new Slicer tab appear on the ribbon. From there, you can change the color theme using the gallery of styles. Adjust the number of columns to make the slicer more compact or spread out. Just set columns to 2 or 3 in the buttons group. Resize the slicer box by clicking and dragging its corners. And even align it perfectly with your dashboard layout. And that's how you create a drop-down style slicer to control your pivot table by month, fast, clean, and formula-free. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Got questions or want more examples like this? Drop a comment. I respond to everyone. Thanks for watching.